you know, there are a lot of kids who actually walk up to me and say, ki, are you the same Sudha Chandan that we are reading in our syllabus? For me, my inspiration always has been Vaijayantimala ma'am. Only Ekta Kapoor who had the guts and confidence to make me a hardcore negative character. My agenda is very clear in Chennai and I have a house in Chennai because that was my mother's dream. मैं तो हमेशा बोलती थी तुम तो मेरे धर्म जी लगते हो. आज भी I always tell him that you are my Dharmender, but he never calls me Hema Malini. When you suddenly realize that you're going to lose a person in your life, it's not easy. And that is the point, probably the triggering point, when we both realize that, yeah, I can't live without you now. And he said, yeah, even I feel that you're a very integral part of my life. We said it was an Indo-Pakistan match. I said, गए. My husband said, इसमें तुम्हारी TRP नहीं आई, Sudha, Balaji Telefilms are shut for you for life. रात गई, बात गई, forgot about it. I was in Nagpur and it was a Thursday TRP of that episode. And Mukta called me up and she saw me, she says, congratulations ma'am, it's a 6.1 TRP. Unheard of. माता की चौकी में वो एक माहौल बनते बनते, you know, when the crescendo comes, like people ask me, how did you feel? I said, मुझे पता ही नहीं था. My lot of friends who were there who were healers, मेरे पंडित थे वहाँ पे, तो वो खुद बोल रहे थे कि when they were holding me, they said, the power was, मतलब बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहे थे. It was a very high energy. And like Vijay and my husband says, I had about 4 liters of water in that about 7 minutes.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel on my special show Street Diaries, and with me right now I have none other than Sudha Chandran ma'am. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. First of all, lovely to have you.
Thank you so much.
I must say that the kind of energy you have and the way you have been kind of, you know, going viral for those energies, you know, lovely to have you.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure and honor too. Thank you.
So many years of being in the world of industry, but people have known you much for their childhoods, you know, and when I say so, books mention you and the stories what you have been through, and it is an inspiration to kind of, you know, also be dedicated, and you have been dedicated to the profession. Tell us something about that, ma'am.
See, I always say it's a privilege to be read by the coming generations, because my father had always told me that, you know, when you are born in this world and you leave this world, there has to be a purpose of life. You just can't come, take a birth, you know, live the life that everybody leads and then, you know, leave this world. So probably I think God had, you know, chosen me for some task probably, and that is the reason why, you know, an incident happened with me and then I came back to dancing. And the biggest tribute that I got was the coming generation, the following generation reading about me. So I would call myself, you know, I'm a heroine in two senses. One, a real life heroine and a real life heroine. So it's a honor and privilege because, see, we all read about people who inspired us much later when they had left this world. So I'm so fortunate and very happy that the coming generation is reading about me. And you know, there are a lot of kids who actually walk up to me and say, ki, are you the same Sudha Chandan that we are reading in our syllabus? So it's a matter of pride and honor, because when you see somebody in flesh and blood, the inspiration and the motivation levels are much higher.
That's true. That's
so
true.
So you know, we normally believe, like, you know, in seeing is believing. So when you see somebody, like if I had met Mother Teresa in flesh and blood, you know, it would have been a very different reformation or, you know, an evolvement of my life.
So also speaking about that, and yes, what you said is right, that even now in the, you know, heads of people, the youth want to kind of know and get inspired by it, and you have been like that, you know.
I've been really fortunate. I mean, they say, you know, human memory is very short. So, you know, sustaining in this industry for last 40 years, like when I look back, it was 85 when I came into this industry with Mayuri and Nache Mayuri, and we're 2025 complete, 2026 we have entered. So I'm so fortunate that, you know, 3 generations know me. Normally ऐसा होता है ना कि the younger generation, यार कौन थी वो, so वो वाला कौन थी नहीं है, they still know कि कोई तो है.
Correct.
You know, maybe the Gen Z know me as Yamini from Nagin, their mothers know me as Ramula from Kai Kisi Rose, and their grandparents know me as Mayuri from Nache Mayuri or Mayuri. So I've been very fortunate that 3 generations have actually known about me, and I'm still alive in the memories of people.
What made you join the world of the glamour world? Basically, of course, we do know that you have been a classical dancer.
Yes.
And people have loved that side of about you, and to still continue that with
Yes,
that
I'm still
aggression.
dancing. Yes, yes,
So
yes.
tell us about that.
So for me, my inspiration always has been Vaijayanthimala ma'am. I think at the age of 89, when she can perform, it would be a shame at the age of 60 if I'm not able to perform. So she's been my living inspiration. So they say, when you see a person is when you get more inspired in life. And my thing is like how I came into this field of glamour. When I met with an accident and when I started dancing again with the Jaipur Foot is when it caught the attention of Mr. Ramoji Rao, who's a newspaper baron and the owner of Ramoji Film City, one of the biggest producers of Telugu. So he read about me and he felt that he should make a film on my life story. So initially when I met him, it was just a narration of my story, and then they said, see, it was like my story was a drab documentary, like a girl who was a dancer who lost her leg and she came back to dance. But now this would not sustain a film for 2.5 hours. So they had to put in all the masalas, and initially they were thinking of casting one of the topmost heroines of Telugu. But when the crew saw me, when the director saw me, the director somehow said, if I make a film, it should be with this girl. It will be more authentic.
Wow.
And let me tell you, we're talking about biopics today. It's so sad that Mayuri and Nache Mayuri have not been talked about at all. Because this was the first biopic that was made in this country.
Wow.
And the first biopic where the same character played and enacted that role. See, we have seen a lot of biopics happening in the recent past, but they have not been played by the same person. It was only Sudha Chandran who played her own autobiographical role. And it is so sad that when today we are talking about biopics, there is no mention of Mayuri and Nache Mayuri.
That's there. But do you also feel, ma'am, that there is this urge of having biopics, or should be there when the personality is alive?
Of course, why not?
What do you have to say on that?
Why not? See, I would say that my film was not just an eye-opener for the specially challenged. I come across so many normal people who walk up to me and say that, ma'am, your film has inspired our lives. And today they are leading entrepreneurs. They're doing so well in their own sphere, whatever profession they have chosen. So somewhere I feel that my life has definitely, given a dimension, a new dimension to people to think, at least to think and achieve their objectives. See, initially we always thought, अरे हम तो सिर्फ सपनों में देखते हैं. Not anymore. जो आप सपनों में देखते हो, आप हकीकत में उससे साकार करते हो.
True.
So when people say कि वो कैसे possible है, so then you have examples today. So I think आज वो it is a big inspiration for people, not just the specially challenged. So even the normal people have been inspired by me. And when I came into this glamour field, I mean, I never thought that I would be here for 40 years. My intention was just do one film and then say goodbye, because my father wanted me to do the IFS. He was very particular that I do the Indian Foreign Service and, serve the country. But, what we decide is not what he decides.
Yeah.
So after one film, I said, chalo, let's make a move, let's get back. But then they say, the film industry is like a chakravyuh. You get into it, you don't know how to come out of it.
That's
and thanks to all my producers, I was so fortunate, because if given a thought, I would never want to come out of this industry. Never, never.
Yeah.
I'm totally in love with this industry.
And you have given 40 years to it, so
I've given my best 40 years, and I've also got back. It's not that, many people say, "Arey, kya hota hai? Idhar kuch hota nahi hai." I mean, come on, guys. We've all come here. We've made, otherwise, who was Sudha Chandran? She was just a dancer who lost a limb. But today, Sudha Chandran is known as a dancer, an accomplished actress, and who has sustained the competition for 40 years.
That's true. 40 years, when you give so many years to the industry, I'm sure you must have faced your own challenges, your own hiccups. Things don't come easily also when you're working in the world of entertainment industry. There is competition,
not only entertainment.
Yes.
It doesn't come easy in any sphere of your life.
But especially this one, where you are on camera, where you want to prove your audience that this is what my character is worth it. It's a challenging thing, because you are a different personality off camera versus when you're on camera. You're just playing that role, but that role also takes a lot on you. And similarly, if it doesn't work out, it does kind of, give that grief.
Yes, initially, yes, I had this lot of issues, because after Nache Mayuri, there were a lot of people and producers. See, at that time, the sphere of activity was not this big. It was just films. We didn't have television also at that time. So in the film industry, there were a lot of producers, who actually told me, well, you're one film wonder. Film आपकी कहानी पर बनी है, so we don't think you would be here, for too long. कोई एक हाथ फिल्म मिल जाए तो समझ लेना. So that was a little, upsetting because I had never asked for this industry. See, I came into this industry, and having come into this industry, I didn't want to be one film wonder. So all that I kept praying. See, I've always believed in praying and manifesting. Manifestation is a word of today, but I think 40 years back I'd already done it. I'd manifested it. Like, having come into this industry, don't make me a failure. Let people not say that, because there were a lot of producers who said that such people cannot be a part of this industry. And I didn't know what that such people meant. See, you are not here to categorize. You're here to show your talent.
True.
Let the audience decide what they want and whom they want. So, I mean, it's not that ki aap decide karoge. Like, you may have the best of actors, but the films don't work. See, ultimately, it's what the people want. Today, people are the judges. So that's what I told the producers. I said, you don't judge. You don't want to give me a role? Fine. But don't demoralize an actor or don't demoralize a person. And the irony was, when I came into television, it was the same producer who gave me the Best Negative Actress award on the stage.
That's interesting.
And I said on the stage, I said, thank you so much that I didn't listen to you.
Wow.
I still stuck to my guns.
That's interesting.
Yes.
Also, ma'am, I've seen that, when you say that you have been kind of, gone through your challenges and how you were kind of a diamond of things, being headstrong in an industry where many don't like to hear the word no. They try to kind of convince you, they are hell-bent on, certain things, and there is an egotistical, battle which keep on taking place. And I'm sure, being a fierce lady, being a fierce actress for that matter, doesn't go well with a lot of people out there. How
See,
did
let
you
me tell
find
you,
your
I
calling?
may be a fierce actress, but on sets, I'm a totally obedient, domiciled student of my director. See, this I make it very, very clear. I may have 40 years of experience behind me, but when I do a new project, my first day contribution is zero. I always tell the director, it's your baby, tell me what you want. So when you are a learner, it becomes easy. I never carry an excess baggage on my shoulder when I take up a new project. I finish one project, the chapter is closed. And I never carry 40 years of my experience to the sets. Every set I go, it's a new story for me. It's a new chapter of my life. It's a new character. And I always say, the first day I go to the director and say, Ki, you know better. Now you tell me what you want. Once you give me a platform, then I put in my experience of an actress. And then the character grows. Because ek hota hai ki what exactly the director and the creative team and the channel needs. So once they set the platform, it becomes easier for an actor. If you're a true actor, then you just grow on it. And I've been lucky because especially when I did my first negative role, which was Kahin Kisi Roles, people said, oh my God, the next door girl image is going to do a negative role. And a hardcore negative role. I mean, Ramula Sikand was the icon. She was a style icon. She was a fashion style, fashion icon, and the best negative who must have, at that time when nobody wanted to love a negative character.
That's true.
And Ramula Sikand was one character that people loved to hate. Like, she was there. People could not ignore her. People could not hate her. She was there, and if she was not there in one episode, people said, "Arey yaar, aaj maza nahi aaya." So, at that time, when people accepted me as a negative role, when I'm totally positive and a hardcore negative, so there were two contrast personalities, in one body. So about 18 hours when I used to work, I was totally negative, and then when I came home, I was absolutely an obedient wife, an obedient daughter. So for me, it was beautiful, switching on and switching off. Because kai baar aisa hota na, there are many times when you're so frustrated and you're not able to let it out is because of your culture and your upbringing holds you. So television and roles are such that it helps you, kai baar hota na ki chalo yaar negative role mila hai, phaad do. So maybe that was the reason I went into it with a full bang, and my dancing definitely helped me.
But do you also feel that Ekta Kapoor has brought that other element of you?
Yes, of course.
Which many have not, or many tried to kind of explore, but they couldn't.
Nobody explored.
Yes,
nobody explored. It was only Ekta Kapoor who had the guts and confidence to make me a hardcore negative character. Even when I went for the narration, I mean, when I was listening to the story, I didn't know one was Romola Sikand, one was Shaina Sikand. So I was like, Shaina is too young as a heroine, probably. I don't know for what I'm called. So after hearing, I said, is it Shaina? So Ekta said, come on, ma'am. You're not that young to play a heroine. But this is a role which is bigger than a heroine. So I said, are you giving me a negative role? She said, yes, ma'am. And she said, mark my words, ma'am. 6 months from now, you'll be the talk of the town.
Yeah. And it became.
Yes.
It became talk
Yes,
of the
yes.
town.
That is her confidence. And I'm always thankful to Ekta Kapoor. When everybody felt that I was not properly to be a part of this industry, there's only Ekta who had the confidence in me. And then there was no looking back.
So coming back to, this
Yes.
question, like, for Ekta Kapoor, and, you have developed a good equation with that, with her over the years. There must be some creativity concerns where you have kind of, faced as such, with her, because she is also very clear with what she wants.
No, I have never had any creative differences with her because one, I am in love with her when she narrates a concept, her story. The way she moves, the way she talks, the way she enacts every character, so well etched, and her concentration is on every actor, whether they are concentrating on what she's saying or not. Because when she's walking, she'll be, narrating us the concept, and suddenly she'll turn and she'll say, excuse me, you got the point?
Yeah.
Where did I leave? So you have to be so attentive. There is not a moment that, and when she is narrating, a good actor can never go off her.
Yeah.
You are totally immersed into her because she gives you an entire sketch of what exactly she has visualized. And there can be no creative differences with hers because she's very clear in her concept. That this is what I want, this is what is going to happen. Her narration is very clear.
Yeah.
And she can walk onto your sets I know when I was shooting for Kahi Kisi Roz, she used to walk into the sets in the morning 3 o'clock. And we used to wonder like, what? But she used to be there. See, that is her commitment to the art and her craft.
Wow.
And that's what I've learned from her.
Now that we welcome this
Oh,
special
yes.
Idlis and all, we want to know your memories associated with Idlis and also with the memories of South Indian culture, the South Indian food, with Chennai, and we really want to know, and the audience also want to know about it.
Well, I'm a hardcore South Indian.
Yeah.
And we still have South Indian breakfast at home.
Oh, wow.
Though I'm married to a Punjabi, but I make sure, because my cook is a Mangalorean, so maybe make sure that it has to be idli, dosa, pongal, vadai, and a podi idli, which has just come.
Yeah.
So our morning breakfast is definitely South Indian. And my memories of, though I come from Kerala, I'm a Tamil Brahmin, I come from Kerala, but Chennai has always been a place that's very close to my heart. And my mother, because my dad's entire family lives in Chennai.
Okay.
So my childhood memories is, we used to, after my school, during my school vacations, first thing is we used to go to Kerala, then we used to come to Chennai.
Okay.
And then I still remember the Pondi Bazaar shopping that we used to do. Pondi Bazaar was known for its steel. So my mother, from the time I think I was born, she has been collecting vessels, utensils for my wedding. So today we have about 7 cupboards which is filled only with stainless steel bartan, which jiske polish bhi nahi gaya hoga.
Okay.
And every vessel on it has got Sudha written on it.
Okay.
Yeah, because that was a system कि हम लेके रखेंगे और शादी के टाइम पे ये बेटी को देंगे. So she collected it from when I was born. Then our favorite haunt is GRT, the gold shop. I remember from as a child she used to put 50 rupees ka BC she used to put, because at that time that's all we could afford. But she made sure that 50 rupees would be deposited every month there, and after 12 months she would buy little gold.
Okay.
So keeping her memory alive, I've still continued this tradition.
Wow.
Yes, though she's not with me anymore, but GRT is the only place where I actually buy gold. Yes.
That's very good. Yeah.
And even today,
carry the legacy.
Yes, even today when I go to Chennai, one day of mine is only T Nagar, where I go buying saris, where I'll go buy blouses, and I will buy Mysore Pak from Krishna Sweets. So my agenda is very clear in Chennai, and I have a house in Chennai because that was my mother's dream. She always wanted a house in Chennai, but I bought it after she passed away. So for me, Chennai has got lovely memories, and of course, then I started working in Tamil serials, and क्या होता है ना, your roots always pull you.
That's true.
I mean, Bombay is the closest to me. I mean, I cannot live without Mumbai. I'm a hardcore Mumbaiker. But they say your roots keeps calling you back.
That happens.
So हाँ, जब तो मुझे at least I make sure that after every 3-4 months I go to Chennai, and yeah, I'll be there for about a week. I'll go to Pondi. I'll go to my our family deity in Tiruchirappalli, where we go every year. From where when I was coming is when I met with the accident. So these are places compulsory. You know, we every year, irrespective of however busy I am. This is a tradition that has been taught to me by my parents, which I still follow.
That's interesting. But also, ma'am, there's this one thing about you which we all kind of, and I want to know especially, I'm curious to know, how did the North met South, and you know, the two states kind of, you know, came together, and how you fell in love and how things were for you? Because we have read some, you know, things about him, you know, in terms of stories and all, we don't know much about it.
They always say North-South combo works.
Yeah.
I think from times immemorial, if you talk about Vaijayantimala, Bali, Dr. Bali, be it Dharamji, Hemaji,
Yeah.
be it Sridevi, Bonnie Kapoor. So the South and North combo has always worked.
Yeah.
But you know, this happened something very unknowingly because I was doing a film, and the film never got made though, but our life story, you know, our love story really got made, and we got married.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a film called Sita, Salma, Susie.
Okay.
It was something like a remake of an Amar Akbar Anthony, the female version, and me, Munmun Sen, and Archana Puran Singh. We were the three ladies in that, and I was playing Salma, and he was the associate director there. So, एक होता है ना कि, and I think he had come here to be an actor because he's 6 foot tall, handsome था. तो मैं तो हमेशा बोलती थी तुम तो मेरे धर्म जी लगते हो. आज भी I always tell him that you are my Dharmender, but he never calls me Hema Malini. That's another issue. हाँ, but he has never said that till today.
Yeah.
I always keep saying यार तू तो बिल्कुल धर्म जी जैसे ही वो यार मेरे लिए. So there what happened was he was the only person. मतलब उस जमाने की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about I was married in 85 and I knew him 8 years before that. 95 and I knew him 8 years before that. That was the time when he used to wear a green and green. He used to wear a yellow and yellow. He used to wear a red and red.
Yeah.
So for me it was an absolute cultural shock because I am a hardcore Tamil Brahmin where we wear very mute and very nice, you know, sober colors which reflects on our culture and upbringing.
True.
तो मैं इस बंदे को देखती थी ऐसा इसका शर्ट पैंट सॉक्स जूते सब एक कलर. ऐसा कि बंदा क्या मतलब डायरेक्शन में है या एक्टिंग करने का कीड़ा है इसको. सो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से where do you get the time to actually get ready and come on the sets like this?
Yes.
This is अपने अपना शौक होता है मैम.
Wow.
So he was always very curt. वो ज़्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करता था. And one day I said every day we come to the sets मैं आपको good morning बोलती हूँ आप में तमीज़ नहीं है good morning बोलने की. So he just turned back one day and said, "Excuse me, madam, मैं एकलौता काम कर रहा हूँ इधर. सवेरे ना हमको एक्टर्स को रेडी करना होता है. We need to roll on time. और मुझे गुड मॉर्निंग बोलने का पगार नहीं मिलता है. मुझे पगार मिलता है यहाँ काम करने के लिए."
Oh goodness.
So I said, "Wow, see that actually impressed me."
Yes.
कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि चोचलेबाजी से you don't get impressed, but you know, you get very impressed with a person who's so dedicated to his work. See, he could have still come, you know, "Hi, hello, ma'am, how are you?" Never. And till date, he's like that. Till date. Even when I'm doing his production, like we just produced a few serials for Dangal and some other channels. There also he used to tell me, he says, "Madam, 7 की shift है." He used to keep he still keeps my alarm at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my God.
He says, "We starting the anchor shoot with you. So I want you on the sets at 6:30. And we roll with you at 7. And you have to wind up at 8:30. Because then my set of actors will start coming in." तो ऐसे जब आप इतने कर्ट हो मैंने कहा फिर मेरा पेमेंट भी मेरे को दे दो. Because when we are talking producer actress, you know, so that is the relation which, but it was never love at first sight. उस ज़माने में ये था ना कि I'm being the only child, I could not go to the production houses asking for work. So many a time ऐसा था कि it's not like liking, it was a good friend, you know, a dependable person. मुझे लगा कि he came from a very good family. You know, he comes from a very good family. My father-in-law was a tobacco businessman in UP.
Wow.
So somewhere I always looked at the family background. It's very important.
True.
Because when you trust a person, it's very important. It's not trusting one person, it's also trusting the family that comes with it. And he was one person who was very decent, very, he used to respect women. So he used to tell me कि मैडम आप अकेले मत जाना वहाँ पे, मैं भी आ सकता हूँ, I'll wait down, but don't go alone. So I said कि यार ये बंदा जो इतना केयर करता है, and somewhere he must have also felt कि she comes from a very good family. So she needs that protection. ऐसे होते होते the 8 years of friendship was when my mother said कि now is the time to get married. And she started looking out for people. And when you suddenly realize that you're going to lose a person in your life, it's not easy. And that is the point, probably the triggering point, when we both realized that, yeah, I can't live without you now. And he said, yeah, even I feel that you are a very integral part of my life. I don't know whether it's love, but it's an integral part of my life. So he said, then next what? तो चलो शादी करते हैं. So he said कि फिल्मी हीरोइंस तो शादी नहीं करती. तो ऐसे जिस दिन मैं तेरे को बोलूँगी ना, ज़मीन के तले, मतलब पैरों तले ज़मीन खिसक जाएगी. So I told him on September 2nd that September 4th we'll get married.
Okay.
So he said, hello, we just have 1.5 days. I said, yeah, I know that. But if we are trying to match the South culture and the North culture, boss, we will never get married. Because when your तारे डूब रहे हैं तो हमारा शुभ है, जो हमारा अशुभ है तो तुम्हारा शुभ है. This is not going to work.
Yes.
September 4th is the right day where all the stars are meeting. Let's just get married. And that was a day we both got, the whole family was there, of course. His family and my family, that's it. We went to a temple, got married. And I had to fly out. I got married in the morning on September 4th. And I flew out in the afternoon because I was performing in Chennai on the 5th. And I actually entered into my in-laws' house was on the 8th of September because that's when I came back from Chennai.
So you're like basically working also. And
I was a total workaholic because my commitment to my profession was very important. See, I'm getting married that because the night before also my father-in-law said, "Mehndi ke ka rasm hai beta, aa jao wo kuch दीवारों पे ना पंजाबीज." I said, पापा जी मैं 12-1 बजे तक आऊँगी because मेरा वो commitment है वो खत्म करके आऊँगी. And I reached my husband's house around 12:30 in the morning. Yeah, because see, I take a decision, but I can't put my producers, they cannot bear the brunt.
Yeah.
And my family stood with me, my in-laws stood with me, my sister-in-law was one person who told my husband, बिल्लू एक काम कर, शादी के बाद भी जब तक सुधा काम करना चाहती है उसको काम करने दो.
So sweet.
So I think they're one of the best families I've got married into.
And how have you balanced then, ever since like being married and all?
My husband has been my factor, my club. Yeah. I think till I was not married, it was my father and mother. And कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि sometimes you don't get the partner, all the support that you've got in your mother's house, your parents' house, sometimes you don't get it.
Yes.
I've been so lucky. I've got much more than what I got from my parents. Because I actually started living when I got married to a Punjabi. Coming from a South Indian family, my mother was very orthodox. She would never allow, कि इससे बात कर, उससे बात कर, ज़्यादा बात कर, हंसना, everything was very monitored. हंसना भी उस लेवल के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. She was very strict.
Oh, okay.
But my husband always said, खुल के जियो यार जिंदगी, पंजाबी हो. So that is when I realized,
And it's a culture change if you see.
But
so.
it was a
I've
beautiful
seen a lot
change.
of-
It was a beautiful change.
Yeah.
See, I could see two sides of me. See, he allowed me to maintain my culture, but he taught me how to live independently. I never knew how to live independently. For everything, I had to rush back to my mom. Unless my mom would not approve, I would not go. I would not even buy a dress without my mom's approval.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
For me, my mother was everything. But I maintained it till I lost her, even after my marriage. And I used to call up my father first after my pack up, not my husband. Because he used to tell me, 9 o'clock you're packed up, 9:20, what time are you reaching home?
Okay. Yeah.
So that was the discipline in our
The
house,
discipline,
till
yes.
I lost him also. So that continued. But thinking independently, taking my own decisions. So I always used to tell my husband Ravi, I said, यार कहीं मैं गलत तो नहीं जा रही हूँ. He says, तू गलत जाएगी तो मैं हूँ ना. पहले डिसीजन तो लो. कभी अपने आप पे भी तो ट्रस्ट किया करो that you have a mind, use that brain. Actually, when I did Kahi Kisi Rose, when I signed Kahi Kisi Rose, I was doing others, छोटे मोटे proposals. So my husband said, he says, एक काम करो, बाकी सब बंद करो. Just do this one project. And everybody had told me at that time, Sudha, you just married, this will definitely lead to a divorce because you'll be working for 20 to 22 hours in Balaji. So you will not have time for your husband and your family. So I came home and told my husband, I said, यार लोग ऐसे बोल रहे हैं. He says, that was the only time he made me sit down and said, he said, you have dreamt big, You want to make it big in the industry? I will take care of the family. Don't worry.
So sweet.
You go ahead and, you know, जिसके लिए तुम इस इंडस्ट्री में आई हो, तुमने इतनी बातें सुनी, because he had seen my struggle.
Yes.
So he knew what the struggle meant. So he said, don't worry about it. And when we both are so committed to each other, फिर काय के बोलते दुनिया को छोड़ो यार. Do good work. You will enjoy it, and that is how we start. I used to go home for just 1 hour. I used to work 22 hours. हाँ. But he was one person who stood by me. मतलब मैं सवेरे आती थी 6-7 बजे. You know, सब नाश्ता वाश्ता सबको को बोल के सब रेडी रखना बेचारी, वो खा के जाएगी. But he never asked me कि तुम इतना काम क्यों कर रही हो. And that was that 4 years that I worked, which gave me the success that I'm, you know, जिसकी मैं आज भी खा रही. So it is only because of it.
And then things continued in flow.
See,
for you.
once the ball sets rolling now, then, and see, I'm a 100% committed professional. Even when my mother was down with cancer, I was still working in the morning. I used to be with her in the morning. Then I used to go at night and do a night shoot because my mother used to sleep. Then I used to join her back at 6:37. And that also, the leverage was given to me by Balaji Telefilms. It was a day sequence. They made sure that they changed it into night. It was director Santram and Balaji Telefilms, who said that she had to go back to be in the hospital with her mom during the day because the doctors keep coming in. So they shifted the entire sequence to the night. I'm telling you, I mean, and then of course I was working with Aruna Irani ji at that time.
Yes.
Very cooperative. Like she used to say, I used to say, I don't know, I'm very scared about Amma. She says, any call, Sudha, we will shut down and you can rush. So that was the support I got from the industry. I mean, I've been really blessed. I've worked with the best of producers, the best of directors, the best of production houses.
And I must admit this, like when I was trying to get Ma'am's Time also, I was also kind of juggling with that because of your shoots, you know, and even, you know, the manager who's managing you and all.
Yes.
She said like, I can't, you know, accommodate you when she's occupied with her work. And
Yes.
I must say that, you know, it's very good to be dedicated to the work you are
See,
doing.
I always believe that, see, you cannot take the producer's time. See, everybody is working on a shoestring budget today. Now suddenly you see, you know, you've got your personal things to be done. See, I don't even entertain calls on sets. It's only Vijay who will take the calls. If it's very absolutely necessary, only then I will attend the call.
Yeah.
Like I always say, 9 to 9 is my producer's time, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. is my family time. So it's a very clear line of demarcation कि 9 बजे जब मेरा घर बंद होता है तो सवेरे 9 बजे खुलेगा. Then 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. then no housework. Then I'm not even bothered unless it's an emergency. Same way when I'm back home, please don't call me because I'm back with my family.
True that.
I'm giving you 12 hours. You take my 12 hours. I'm at your service. You shoot with me or you don't shoot with me, it's your problem.
That's the boundary basically, I think.
No, we have
the
to.
healthy boundary.
It has to. You see, you need to know. See, you need your time, the commitment to your profession and your personal life. If you mess it up, then everything is a mess.
That's true. That's true. But now, ma'am, let's also enjoy this.
Yes,
as we
yes,
kind of-
yes, yes. I think
I
yes.
want to see this side of you. I've never seen
Oh,
you eating
I
a
am.
pasta. It's good. Is it
Lovely.
made- yeah.
It's one of the best. Podi idli. Idli is very safe.
Yes, that's true.
It's a very healthy breakfast.
Plus, the mini ones are like good. You can just consume it nicely.
Look at the ghee.
The
Look at ghee
ghee,
content
yeah,
in it. Ooh.
Yeah, melting in the mouth.
Exactly. Lovely.
Plus, I love this curry patta actually. I mean,
Kadhi patta is very good for the health.
for the hair.
In fact,
also,
in
yes.
South, what we do is we have the kadhi patta powder.
Okay.
So what we do is we make plain rice and we add kadhi patta powder on it and we put ghee and we have a proper rice item. Karagapalai sapadu we say rice. And love this. It's very healthy.
It's very tasty.
Very interesting. And of course the coffee.
Yeah, the coffee. Though it's not filter, someday we'll like. meet
It's
on a
okay.
filter coffee.
It's okay because I normally have filter coffee at home.
I have to ask you this also, ma'am. The kind of food you love to enjoy, and especially when you're traveling and when you're also traveling abroad. Because
I'm a
abroad-
pure veggie.
Yeah.
Pure veggie. I'm not fussy about my food. मुझे जो मिलता मैं खा लेती हूँ. Like I love the street food of Mumbai. I go to any. Of course, yesterday also I had a shaved dahi puri.
Oh, really?
I have everything. इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ ना, COVID never affected me.
हाँ, because
मैं रास्ते का सब खाती हूँ.
हाँ, इम्यूनिटी
मेरी इतनी अच्छी है.
हाँ.
I always say कि इतना भी protected मत जियो यार. And you get one life to live. खा पी के मरो. But ठीक है. Just be little sure that what exactly you're eating.
True.
Too much of oil, cholesterol.
Yes.
But we normally have our preparations in ghee. So ghee is okay.
Yeah.
Like I have anything and everything in vegetarian. Like today also, like I said, when I came in, I had makai ki roti and sarson ka saag. अब दिसंबर में वो विंटर में नहीं खाएंगे तो फिर कब खाएंगे?
That's true.
Like my husband says, I said यार थोड़ा हेवी हो रहा है. मतलब वही विंटर चला जाएगा फिर तो कहाँ मिलेगा?
हाँ.
Then we say okay उंदियो वो भी it's a Gujarati item in winter. वो भी खा लो. So we have everything which is seasonal. मतलब ज़्यादा परहेज मैं नहीं करती हूँ. But yes थोड़ा बहुत. अब वैसे भी आई एम नॉट हियर टू बी अ हीरोइन यार. मदर के रोल में थोड़े हष्ट पुष्ट लगेंगे तो थोड़ा अथॉरिटी भी लगेगा. नेगेटिव रोल कर रही हूँ.
ऐसे है,
लगूंगी मैं. हाँ लगूंगी भी मैं.
एक वो ऑरा आपका.
हाँ मतलब दे से ना कि जब सुधा चंद्रन एंट्री मारती है तो होता है ना धमाकेदार भरपूर भरा हुआ एंट्री हो.
और वो भी होता है ना बेसिकली आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी दिखकर आती है. इट वर्क्स दैट पीपल ट्राई टू डू रील्स. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी सीइंग दैट.
आई लव इट.
Ramola Sikand all over.
I love it. I'm so happy because this is what we've all worked for. This is what we've all yearned for. One day a person will not recognize you. I think that is the day when an actor will die from within.
That's true.
That's why I love my audience. I love their feedback. I take their feedback. Like people say, आप हर चीज का reply करती हो. जैसे मेरे पास काम ही क्या है? जब you can spare so much of time for me, मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है कि I at least reply back. You see my Instagram posts. Most of them I'll be 99% I like all their posts.
Wow.
I always do it. I never ignore my fans' posts. Never.
That's very nice, I must say that. But getting into the character of Ramola Sikand, has that ever caught on you when I say
No.
so? When
No,
you're
no, never.
Ever like have you tried being at home and like trying these dominating dialogues in front of your partner?
Initially कभी होता था ना कि like I used to, my father used to like suddenly I used to shout. My father generally doesn't like anything that's overboard. He never liked over makeup, over dressing because he comes from Kerala, where Kerala is a very subdued, where people are not too loud. They speak very less and very low volumes.
Yes.
So when I used to say, Papa, my serial is a hit. Oh, how much of makeup you are putting and why so much of jewelry? What are you going to do with all these saris? His main concern was that, why are you buying so much?
Yeah.
And my mother used to say, oh, you don't understand. That is today's trend. You don't understand. So my father would say, I wish you do a nice Malayalam film without makeup.
Oh wow.
He used to love me without makeup. And my husband says, भरो और लो अच्छा लगता है यही बिकता है. Like he's one person more than me, he shops. I say यार ये साड़ी अच्छी लगती है पर क्या करे, लेके रख लो कभी तो काम आएगा. So that's how so and after marriage also I used to like कभी होता ना कि when somebody says ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. My husband say कहीं किसी रोज नहीं.
Come back.
Actually, it was never a kahi kisi rose. It was me.
Yeah.
अरे मैं बोलती हूँ कभी मैं भी तो argue कर सकती हूँ. But that time it used to be relatable to my characters.
Yeah.
But then of course वो तो मतलब घर तक तो मैं लेके नहीं आती हूँ.
Coming to a series like it's a series only because we have seen different parts of it. Nagin.
Yeah.
How it has been or abhi bhi, be it your makeup, the way you look, the way you dress, वो trend रमोला सिकंद वाली साड़ीज आज भी फेमस है एंड इवन नागिन वाला जो कैरेक्टर है आपका वो भी काफी फेमस है. टेल अस अबाउट दैट, हाउ इट वाज.
I love to ham. Actually, I've hammed in Nagin. Actually, if you see, season 2, season 6, it's all above. I mean, overboard मैं गई हूँ. But people loved it. And when I got Nagin also, I was in Chennai at that time. I was doing a Tamil serial.
Okay.
So people here for 4 years I was there. I was moving up and down because my base is of course Bombay only. But I was doing a beautiful serial in Vijay TV at that time. That was the one of Gopi Vahu, which was a super duper hit here. And I was doing the female version, the Tamil version, this daughter-in-law. Okay. The daughter-in-law, no, the mother-in-law. Kokila character.
Yes,
I was doing.
हाँ.
So, Rasode Mein Kaun Hai?
Rasode Mein
Yeah, that character I was playing in Tamil. So 4 years I was there. So people here had already said कि भैया सुधा जी तो यहाँ bag and baggage Bombay छोड़ के she settled in Chennai.
Okay.
Because I was not seen here, na?
Yeah.
Then one day my husband called up from Bombay and he said, Sudha, Nagin के promos आ रहे यार colors पे. So I said, हाँ तो eerie concept है यार, इतना कर रही है यार, बहुत कमाल का concept होगा. So I said ठीक है यार, हो गया ना, तो अब कर रही है तो कर रही है. बात गई. After about 4 days, there was a call from Balaji Telefilms. Madam, we are doing Nagin.
Yeah.
तो I said, नागिन में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?
हाँ.
नागिन तुम कर रहे हो तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? नागिन थोड़ी ना हूँ. नहीं, but Ekta wants you to do this. And I have never doubted Ekta's judgment. Whenever she says Sudha ji has to do this, मैं blindly Ekta को follow करती हूँ. Because I know if she's not confident, she will not call you for the role.
Yeah.
So I said, ठीक है, I'm coming back, but then I'm doing a south. All that we will adjust. That you don't bother. It's a weekly, bi-weekly. तो आपको problem नहीं है.
Correct.
तो ठीक है, आ जाती हूँ. Then I told my husband, I said, यार नागिन कर रहे हैं, मैं क्या करूँ? He says, definitely नागिन करना, because ये हमारे culture से जुड़ा हुआ है. He's when he predicts ना, he is very strong in his prediction.
Wow.
जब मैं बोलती हूँ, अरे बहुत अच्छा रोल कर रही हूँ, तो ज़्यादा मेहनत मत कर, ये चलेगा नहीं.
Wow.
And it doesn't work after that. So he said, बाकी सब छोड़, नागिन, if Ekta is offering you Nagin, do Nagin. So when I went, I met her and she was narrating first 30 episodes, कहानी है ही नहीं, मैं हूँ ही नहीं उसमें. So then I was like, so she turned at me, Sunday she looked at me, she says, ma'am, you are wondering what you are doing in Nagin, na?
Yes.
First 30 episodes is not yours. So I said, then what am I doing?
My God,
You're the doting mother. I said, okay. I don't never question her. She said, post 30, there'll be nobody else but you. I said, really? She said, trust me. I said, I always trusted you. I will never question you. Then do Nagin, ma'am. And that's how I entered Nagin. And when it came, and when the revolution happened, that I was the 5th culprit, and that was the day India-Pakistan match was happening.
Yeah.
And that was the revolution episode of mine.
Oh,
45
okay.
minutes, 43 minutes was I was playing solo.
Wow.
Because that was the story where Yamini is being revealed. Ki who exactly is Yamini? And who is that husband of hers who's a Mali in the house? So that the entire story was between me and Manish. It was a flashback. And we said it was an Indo-Pakistan match. I said, "Gay." My husband said, इसमें तुम्हारी TRP नहीं आई, Sudha, Balaji Telefilms is shut for you for life. And every time I kept calling Vijay. I said, Vijay, तेरे एरिया में क्या चल रहा है? He said, नहीं मैम, पाकिस्तान मैच भी देख रहे हैं और ये भी देख रहे हैं. I said, ये देख रहे हैं ना? बोलता हाँ, बीच बीच में देख रहे हैं. I said, God. Then रात गई, बात गई, I forgot about it. I was in Nagpur and it was a Thursday TRP of that episode. And Mukta called me up and she saw me. She says, congratulations, ma'am. It's a 6.1 TRP. Unheard of.
Like especially like at such an occasion where it's
India-Pakistan
not possible.
match.
Yeah.
But that is what I say, conviction of Ekta. We went beyond the India-Pakistan match. And that
This is
was
giving
where
me goosebumps, I must say that.
I was so thrilled. I was at the Nagpur airport. And when I said, Mukta calling up, I said, shit, gone.
Yeah.
And when she said, congratulations, ma'am, we've done it. We have nailed it. And I said, yeah, that is the television. And that is Ekta. That is the power of a screenplay of Nagin. And Nagin was born then. And which has never looked back till today.
But I'm genuinely getting goosebumps
Yes,
just
yes,
hearing the
yes,
story
yes,
because
yes.
ek jagah par, you know, something which we all are passionate about. The
world
entire
stops.
country,
The
world
world
stops.
stops
Yes,
to watch
we are
an
like
India-Pakistan match. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
And like cut to coming to this.
It was like, it was a litmus test for me. But chalo, God has been really kind. After that, then when second season began.
Yeah.
And then I said, yaar, first mein to sab kuch dal diya, ab second mein kya kare? That is when we explored the comedy angle. It was a negative comedy.
Yeah.
And people loved that also because we were, you know, mouthing below the belt, double meaning lines. But
Yeah.
people loved it because I remember I was performing in Delhi for one of the events. And one watchman comes and says, he says, Madam, thank you. I said, क्यों भैया, मैं तो आपको जानती तक नहीं हूँ. तो मेरी माँ बहुत बीमार है, वो कभी हंसती नहीं थी. लेकिन जब आप आती थी ना, जोर जोर से हंसती थी. वो खुशी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. I said, how television actually influences people.
That's true. That's true.
You know, so that's how it happened. And then season 6 I was back again with another double role where I played Seema and Patali. So when they called me up again, I was in Hyderabad at that time.
Okay.
So they said, ma'am, that is your mother's character. I said, ठीक है, हो जाएगा, so करने दो ना. तो नहीं, आपके measurements चाहिए. I said, मेरे measurements क्यों चाहिए? Ekta wants you to play Patali also. So you are an Adivasi in that. I played that, and then that became a big hit because I said Patali De Tali. बच्चे मेरे को देख के बोलते थे. So I think everything what we did in Nagin worked.
So your conviction, I must say that, you know,
It's her
your
conviction.
dedication.
Her conviction, and I'm very
I think your
fortunate. I could
dedication.
translate it. See, एक तो conceive करना,
Correct.
एक उसको translate करना. The character becomes a hit is when these two things merge together, and it happened. And Ekta always gave me the leverage to perform at ease. There was never foundation कि ये मत करो वो नहीं, you know, इधर वो रोकना
Like
टोक
creative
नहीं
interference,
है,
yeah.
रोक टोक बिल्कुल नहीं. There was no, she used to say allow her, she will do it. अगर हमको लगता है हम उसको बोलेंगे, but it worked.
I think that works, you know, when you don't have so much of
You're
moderation.
not see when somebody says
Yeah.
don't go beyond this, don't, then as an actor you limit.
True.
And we had the best of directors. We had Ranjan sir on Nagin, we had Santaram on Nagin. So I think they were the best directors who knew what to get the best out of us also.
That's nice. And moving on to the kind of projects you're doing now.
Yes,
and
yes,
the series
yes.
have become famous, the
Yes.
serials what you're doing and all.
All of them, I
Different,
think.
yeah.
Yes. After that, I did Safal Hogi Teri Aradhna for Dangal. Then I did K Street Pali Hill with them. So I've been like regularly. I just completed Noin Tara where I played a cameo on
Yes.
Colors.
Huh.
So things are beautiful, I think.
One thing which has gone viral and
Yeah.
everyone is talking
Oh,
about
yeah.
you on the internet is about your spiritual journey and the way you have. And you know, I know that you can't even express what you have felt, but that was something where it felt like, you know, like you had that spiritual energies, you know, possessing you in a way, and you were on a different level, a different energy altogether. वो जो एक हाजरी आती है ना जो कहते हैं basically.
I think I'm blessed.
Yeah.
I'm truly blessed. Because मुझे पता ही नहीं था चला. Because क्या होता है, एक तो जब माहौल ऐसे बन जाता है, सी माता की चौकी में वो एक माहौल बनते, you know, when the crescendo comes,
Yes.
and like people ask me, how did you feel? I said, मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Because I was not on this platter at all. I was much above this. जब मैं अभी मैं वो reels देखती हूँ, तो मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, मैंने कहा ये है क्या, था क्या? But yes, it is not something new. मतलब हमारे घर में होता है, घर घर में होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं होता है. You know, we have seen it in temples, we have seen it in our homes, we have seen it in our neighborhood. So I think people who even, you know, spoke about it knows it happens. People who spoke against it also knows it happens. So ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ अद्भुत हुआ है. But maybe because I'm a celebrity and, you know, it gained so much of momentum, but I'm happy. I'm happy, you know, I'm happy because ultimately people have come to realize that ये चीज़ें आज भी हैं. See, we may say that science must have advanced, science, वो जो भी है, but इन चीज़ों को हम prove ही नहीं कर पाते हैं ना फिर.
Yeah.
Like I'm also today's, you know, a modern woman who believes in a lot of things, but जब ये चीज़ें होती है, you actually come to know that there is some power.
Yes.
See, हम according to religion हम नाम देते हैं.
Correct.
वो जो भी हो, सी क्रिश्चियन हो, मुस्लिम हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, हिंदू हो, हम अलग अलग नाम से जानते हैं.
But there
That
is some.
there is a power.
Yes.
There is a power which nobody can say it does not exist.
True.
And I was very lucky because that spiritual energy, you know, thought that I was the right person. And people, they were blessed, actually blessed.
Yeah.
And there were my lot of friends who were there who were healers. मेरे पंडित थे वहाँ पे, तो वो खुद बोल रहे थे कि when they were holding me, they said the power was, मतलब बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रहे थे वो.
It was a very high energy.
It was a very high energy.
Yeah.
And like Vijay and my husband says, I had about 4 liters of water in that about 7 minutes.
Wow.
But
And
is it
imagine
really-
you didn't even realize
I didn't even
it.
realize it.
Yeah, you didn't even realize
Yeah,
it.
and my husband is saying कि तुम पानी की भीख मांग रही थी सुधा, तुम भीख मांग रही थी पानी की. या तो तेरे अंदर वो that energy needed water,
And
प्यास.
that's not, you know, normal. I
4
must
and
say
a half
that.
liters
4.5
in 7
liters.
minutes.
Yes.
See, जो भी span था वो 5 से 7 मिनट ही था. उसके बाद it was like I was very tired after that.
Yeah, because the spirit must be so heavy on
Yeah,
yours.
yeah.
no?
The energy was
energies,
so
yeah.
high. So I don't know, but they say कि तो आपने 4.5 लीटर पानी पिया है.
And I believe in this, you know. I
believe in this. I truly believe.
Yeah.
See, I always say कि people who believe in this truly believe. People who opposite it believe more than all of us.
Yes, that's true.
You know,
Because
I
we
always
want to,
say,
yeah,
I
kind of
always
challenge
say,
it.
yeah, जो बोलते हैं कि हम भगवान पे विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, वो सबसे ज़्यादा विश्वास करते हैं.
True.
It is only कि भैया नहीं बिलीव करते. ऐसा आज के ज़माने में ये नहीं होता. अरे क्या नहीं होता है? आज के ज़माने में बहुत कुछ होता है
True.
which goes unexplained, which goes, you know, you can't even if you try to break up the event or the procedure,
Yes,
नहीं होता है
नहीं
वो.
होता है.
Like when people say, how did you feel? I said, hello, ये क्या है, मतलब feel करने के लिए क्या था, मतलब even if I'd known,
Yeah.
I would have definitely been able to explain कि क्या हुआ था.
Correct.
But next day it was viral like crazy.
Yeah.
But chalo, when we are talking about 2026, ऐसी
Especially when
चीज़ों पे-
I have seen you going to Vaishno Devi.
You have seen me,
I
we have
mean,
met on
imagine
flight.
we met, the
We
very
have met on
first
flight,
meeting was on
yes,
that.
yes.
I was like, you know, and I'm telling my mom, you know, and I know, I
Yes.
was with my mom and my cousins, and I'm like, Sudha Chandran, ma'am, I just want to. My mom is like, go meet her, you know. You
Yeah,
want to,
you
like,
came, walked up to me. Yeah, you came
I'm
and
like
yes,
shooting a video.
yes,
I'm like,
yes,
ma'am, I want a
yes.
video of yours.
And you asked
all
me
that.
some questions also. Sent me some questions
yes,
also.
and,
Yes.
and we played for e-times and all
Yes,
that. And I asked
yes.
you, and I was like, okay. And you told me like you're going to
Vaishno Devi,
and
yes,
all that. And
yes.
was
I
like,
go there
wow.
every year.
Yes, wow, that's nice. And how the journey has been at Vaishno Devi, because that's one of the places we also want to kind of explore, because especially during winters, because it's a different feeling.
Yes,
altogether.
yes, yes, yes.
Tell us
It's
about
beautiful because see, after I got married is when see we have our Kuldev. You know, like in our my father's family, it's Lord Kartikeya. So after I got married, my father was very particular. He said, Sudha, try to find out who is a Kul Devi or Devta in your in-laws' house.
Okay.
So I asked my father-in-law. So he said, हमारी वैष्णो देवी है, but कोई हम जाते नहीं हैं.
Huh.
So my father said, he said, now you have to start going. That's how this journey began.
Oh.
So after that, me and my husband started taking this trip.
That's
So
nice.
every year we go there because see क्या होता है कि there are a lot of things, some unfulfilled desires या हमारे ancestors के कुछ रह गए होंगे. So at least as long as we are there, let us go there. और and then when I was there is when suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे माता की चौकी करनी है हर साल. तो I took her permission there. I said, माता रानी bless me कि जब तक हम जिंदा हैं और जब तक हमारे में ताकत है तुम हमारे घर में आओगी.
And it's a saying that बुलावा होता है तो
बुलावा होता है
Yes.
तभी होता है.
हाँ.
So every year after माता की चौकी I always, it's 23 years now.
Wow.
So I keep telling her, माँ अगले साल का इंतजार है. That's how we send her. ये जगह तुम्हारे लिए खाली है, अगले साल दोबारा आ जाना. We are waiting for you. And अब तो मतलब जब मैं लोगों को बुलाती भी हूँ ना, they've already blocked the first Saturday of the year. They know सुधा के घर पे माता की चौकी है. The year begins, the first Saturday is माता की चौकी.
Oh.
Yes. So it's my people are regularly coming. They know it.
Oh, that's nice. And moving on to this also, what also happened is, while it went viral, you also got trolled online. Some made memes, some made jokes.
Well,
and
doesn't
all.
matter.
Does the trolling ever affected you? Because do you feel
I've
like
never been trolled.
only
I have
one side
never
you-
been
Yeah,
trolled.
that's true.
Never
that's
been
true.
trolled.
In fact, the memes are so relatable in a way, they modify and all, that okay, ऐसे बनाया है, you know, it's in a positive manner.
पता नहीं मुझे, मैं बोलती हूँ ट्रोल भी किया होगा तो मुझे इसमें बुरा भी नहीं लगता है.
हाँ.
See, each to his own.
That's
See, जैसे I don't doubt the faith, your faith, don't doubt my faith.
Yeah.
But अगर आपको वो करने में मजा आता है, good, go ahead. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता because it is not going to affect me. It is not going to affect my spirituality. It is not going to affect my devotion.
True.
Because I know what I want and I will go on this path till the last breath of my life.
Yes.
So उनको affect करता है जिन पे ये trolls, you know, these trolls are going to matter to you. 4 दिन बोले, ठीक है हो गया,
Yeah.
तुम खुश, मैं भी खुश. That's it. At the end of the day, they still love me. I know that.
Yeah. There is.
I
there
have
is that,
never
yeah.
been a victim of trolls. Never been a victim of trolls. The
That's what we are
social
blessed,
media,
I must say
the
that.
social media, the print media, the people, they have never trolled me. They love me.
You have navigated in the Tamil world, in in TV, in of course in movies also. What is next for you? What do you want to focus on? And do you want to also do a full-fledged cinema? And what's your focus like?
2026, I want to produce.
Yeah,
I want to turn producer. And I will.
yeah. And
It may be small, it may be, I'm not saying it's going to be big, but
Yeah.
it will be small, but yes, I will.
yes,
That's what I'm manifesting. And I know for sure when I manifest, things will happen.
yes, and we are going to get to see that.
Yes. You'll be the first one that I will be calling up to say, ki boss, I'm doing something new.
Wow, Charo,
Because your support has always been, you know, I always say the press has been, the electronic media, the press, they've all been my pillars of strength. See, they are the connection between me and my audience. You have kept me alive. You have presented me the way people want to see me.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think I'm always indebted to you all.
Well, that's interesting, and I must say that, you know, talking to you was like more of knowing more about you. I loved this interaction, and you gave so much of in depth of culture about relationship and how it should be.
Yes.
Even in today's time, you
Yes.
know, when we keep on running from one place to another, or probably we are too chaotic in our minds that we don't really know what our visions are. So many times we get lost in the world of, you know, digital
That's
media.
because I think the relationships are getting a little too frivolous.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we are all victims of that small gadget called the phone, the mobile.
Yeah.
So I think that is
Leading to a lot of
creating a lot of
complications.
chaos and confusion in our lives.
Yeah, and I think one should also kind of take a break from it.
No, you should know where you need to stop. See, that nobody's going to teach you. See, if you value your relationships, then you will know where to put a stop to certain things in life.
That's right.
So if you don't want to value it, you don't want to continue it, is when you take the other route,
Yeah.
and that's not good.
Lovely chatting with you.
Thank you
And
so much,
Thank
dear.
you so much for such a good insight.
And
Love
thank you so much for
food.
the lovely
I'm going to make you
idlis.
eat more, you know, before
This
we
is going.
Yeah.
This is interesting. This is so nice. Thank you so much, and lovely coffee. Yeah, you took me back to my Chennai.
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so elated. But at the same time, very, very interesting to chat with you because you give a depth of yourself, you know, more than the characters you have played on screen. And I
Yes, see,
think
that's
that
more
was-
important. See, characters
Yeah.
is what people see.
Yes.
People want to know what you are
Yes.
and what you represent
Yeah.
and what you want to give to the society.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much.
coming on this show.
Thank you so much.
Lovely
It was
chatting
lovely.
with you.
Thank you,
As
thank you.
always, like it's a pleasure meeting you. I
Thank
must
you
say
so
that.
much,
Thank
and lots
you.
of love to all of you. Lots of love.